Hello everybody! Welcome again. So, I know that I've already shared with you before how you can transform your journals through your stickers, your scrap papers, and then the latest one was how to transform it using your stamps. Now, I'm just gonna share with you some of the simple ways that you can also do to transform your journals, even your cover journals, with just a simple or little materials that you need. So you just need your scissors, you just need your glue, and you just need some papers. On my end, I have the 6x6 MINTAY papers, and you know, MINTAY papers are actually a very good set of different papers because they are printed back to back, so you have a lot of options of what you can use, and they even encourage you to do cutouts out of this collection, so it's really nice. So here, as you can see, like I just prepared a blank canvas for us. So it's a blank journal, a blank front page, and it is dotted inside. So let's see how we can transform them using this MINTAY paper pad. So here we go. Okay, so I already have a pre-cut paper from this pad as well. This is the MINTAY Graceful papers, and I selected one of the I think one of their designs here. This is somewhat similar, but let me just show you what it is that I selected specifically, that I cut, because I know here it goes. So this one is the one that I selected for me to just do a fuzzy cut. And when I did the fuzzy cut for this paper, this is what I got. This is the only thing that I needed, so I didn't took this piece. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make sure that I lay it down on where I wanted it, and then I'll just glue the backing. Okay, so also this particular glue applicator is my favorite because it's needle-like, so it's easier for you to, you know, make some glue on the edges, and as well as if you have like a very thin edges here, you can easily apply it. And what I notice, it's easier to stick it without some of your papers wrinkling. So let me show you what I'm gonna do here. Alright, so this is how I wanted it to appear on the top. Okay, and then I'm gonna glue the other one. So if you see here, I don't want anything showing up in here, so I will just make sure I put them in a spot where it will be covered. Here. Right. Okay, so once it is already glued, okay, then you can just cut the excess part in here. Just have to turn it, and then you can see all of this excess. Then you just have to cut them. There you go. Now you have that nice cover for your journal. And then we'll do some fuzzy cutting of some of the other paper sheets.